Google Sheet row heading. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page loads, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to work with. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so that all menus, cells, and tools are visible. Next, look carefully at the left side of the spreadsheet. You will notice numbered labels running vertically along the sheet. These numbers appear beside every row in the worksheet. These numbered labels are called row headings. They help identify each row and allow users to easily select or manage rows within the spreadsheet. Now move your cursor toward the row heading area on the left side of the worksheet. Hover your cursor over one of the row numbers without clicking it yet. This helps you locate the exact row you want to work with. Click on one of the row numbers. After clicking, observe how the entire row becomes highlighted across the spreadsheet. This visual change confirms that the row has been selected. The highlighted row heading indicates which row is currently active. Next, click on a different row number. You will see the highlight move from the previous row to the new one. This shows that the row heading allows you to quickly change which row is selected. Now move your cursor to another row heading. Click and drag across several row numbers at the same time. While dragging the mouse, observe that multiple rows become highlighted together. Notice that several row headings are selected at once. This allows you to work with more than one row simultaneously. Release the mouse to confirm the selection. Once the rows remain highlighted, right-click on one of the selected row headings. Wait for the context menu to appear on the screen. In this menu, observe the available row options that can be used for editing the spreadsheet. You will notice options such as Insert Row, Delete Row, and Resize Row. These features allow you to manage rows easily within the spreadsheet. After reviewing the options, click outside the row headings to remove the selection. Observe the row highlight disappearing from the sheet. Finally, look again at the row numbers on the left side and recognize that row headings help organize spreadsheet data.